Smartwatches have been on the market for a couple of years, but you know what, Sherry?
What, Andy?
Here's the thing. People that get smartwatches, all they use it for is to track their notifications on their smartphone. So instead of taking their phone out, they just look at their watch at notifications. Until now, because what Samsung has done is release this, the Samsung Gear Sport. Basically, it's a smartwatch with a whole lot of other features.
It streamlines your entire tracking device because it tracks fitness, diet, and HR.
I think this is really kind of Samsung's version of the Apple Watch,
Yes.
because a lot of people right now, the Apple Watch came out years after smartwatches hit the scene, but it's the #1 watch on the market. And so what Samsung did is said, okay, we can do that. And so they came out with a smartwatch that can do a lot of fitness tracking and your diet, basically a whole holistic type of things, not just notifications that come onto the watch.
And of course, they really wanted this to become a sport watch. So it's also water resistant up to 5 ATM, which is 50 meters underwater.
One thing I really liked about this, and I thought this was kind of smart, is it's got a nice circular design, just like traditional watches, whereas the Apple Watch is more of a square, which to me still looks kind of weird. On the side are 2 buttons. One is to just make it basically have the display go on, but if you press the button on the bottom, you can actually see kind of like apps. And on the front, you have a dial that you can turn to switch around to the various things that it can do. For a lot of people, they're going to use this as a fitness tracker. It can track your steps. If you're going to go running, it can also track that. It has a heart rate detector, so it can tell you what your heart rate is anytime. You go upstairs, guess what? It can track that too. So it gives you everything from calories, steps, stair climbing, really allows you to track your day-to-day habits to see if you're staying fit. Even if you had a good walk, it'll give you a notification going, that was a great walk. Sometimes I need that.
need a little booster, right? Yeah, so it is a great fitness tracker, and also, you know, it's great at doing its job in terms of notifications. But also another thing I really like is the Samsung Pay feature. So, you know, if you don't want to carry your big wallet and your phone with you when you're just out for a jog, you can take this, you know, the Gear Sport and then just tap it at the till.
It's kind of nice, hey? It's a fitness tracker, but you could also use it as a digital wallet as well.
Yes.
One thing I've noticed, I've been trying this on for a couple of days, the battery's not bad. You know, I'm notorious for forgetting to charge the watches at nighttime. And one day I forgot, I was still wearing it in the morning, and I was still getting notifications. So it's pretty good. And what you notice, the display goes right off. And I think that's one of the reasons. You can even put a power save mode in the event that your watch is dying and you still want some access. It'll make everything gray. So you don't get the color, but you still get those notifications. Again, if you are on the Android side and you're looking for a smartwatch, I definitely recommend you check this one out. It's from Samsung. We're looking at the Gear Sport. Retails for about $400. You can get more information at Samsung.com.